Mechanics are an essential part of Estes, like we all are, because they are the ones who truly help us to keep the freight moving. All of our equipment, it needs to be up to date and safe for the people and surrounding motorists when we're on the road.
I think I do anything. That's what I like to say. Whether it's getting something off of a floor in a container or a trailer, or whether it may be putting an ABS sensor in a wheel or patching a hole. So it's all across the board.
Mechanics impact my day-to-day work from the time I come in. If I have an issue with a piece of equipment, I can go to them and they can address the issue, whether it be something on the spot or if they have to troubleshoot and take it in, but they make sure I can get through my day smoothly.
Mechanics, we consult with each other on a daily basis. And of course, we talk to the drivers because they're the patients, in other words, who have a problem, who relays what's going on with what they're trying to accomplish. The key element is to repair the equipment or make certain the drivers are satisfied and taken care of.